Are mismatched security cameras creating visual clutter in your retail space or business? Multiple shapes and sizes often create a cluttered look. But what if you could unify your security camera installations with a single, clean, and professional solution? Meet the CE-CPPMD and the CE-CTSMD Universal Dome Housings from Clinton Electronics. The CE-CPPMD is your ideal pendant mount solution, easily accommodating camera housings up to 6 inches in diameter. It pairs effortlessly with Clinton's Universal Pendant Mount and CP Series poles for a sleek, cohesive appearance. The CE-CTSMD offers the same uniformity with an easy, tool-free setup, accommodating camera housings up to 6 inches in diameter. And both models include 2 masks, one with a cutout to conceal your camera, and a full mask for use as a dummy dome when no camera is needed. Flexible, fast, professional. Clinton Electronics Universal Dome Housings provide a clean and consistent appearance for any camera installation. Available now at clintonelectronics.com.